Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see dialogue writing on 26th January. Rahul, hello Aisha, do you know why we celebrate 26th January? Aisha, yes, Rahul, 26th January is our Republic Day. Rahul, why is it important? Aisha, on this day, India got its constitutions. Rahul, how do we celebrate in school? Aisha, we hoist the national flag and sing the national anthem. Rahul, I feel proud to be an Indian. Aisha, me too. Happy Republic Day. Thank you watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.